What's the premise of passive prospecting? And I know your book deals in depth, your website deals in depth, and even your videos coming and are out there are all in depth about where we put our attention and intention in the prospecting and sales cycle.
You know, I've been in sales for 20 plus years, always actively prospecting, and I love sales, but I always disliked the prospecting because I felt like I spent 90% of my time always pursuing, you know, which is not a bad thing, right? But at the same time, it gets tiring, and that's where I think a lot of people burn out. It's why sales has a huge turnover, is because it comes with a ton of rejection in addition to that, right? You've got to get through a lot of no's to get to a yes. So we talk about the concept of passive prospecting mainly through video. And that's how we've been able to transform our real estate business, is instead of chasing after people all the time, trying to find people that are looking to buy or sell homes. And this really applies to any business. I've seen plumbers do this, electricians, financial advisors, you know, the sports agents. I mean, if you create the video, the content, provide the value up front for free, educate people through video, then the business will come in. What happens is people will, you know, if they find your videos and they find value in them, they will watch more of your videos and more of your videos. And then ultimately the video builds the relationship for you. And so when people are ready to actually make a purchase or a buying decision, they'll reach out to you based on the value that you've provided to them. And that could be a week, a month, or multiple months. But the main point is that the video has done all the work for you. So a lot of the times when clients call us, they've already made the decision that they want to work with us based on the value we've provided to them for free through so many videos. And we do that mainly on YouTube because we feel like YouTube is a long form content platform where people are researching. You know, they're going to YouTube to search for answers to their questions.
Are there any other things that you're doing, or are you only doing video in the context of what I'm talking about? Are you still doing the traditional stuff?
I mean, we rely pretty much on video solely. I mean, all of those other methods work, and we know a lot of agents that have success with that. And so if that's your primary source of lead generation right now, that's amazing. But we always encourage to at least add video to that. Now, we are video first, and so that's where we focus primarily our efforts. And then we collect referrals and we do some networking, but still the video generates so much business. We've become the fastest growing and #1 viewed real estate channel in Dallas. And so it is turning over so much business for us that we're able to really focus, and we're just trying to double down and go deep. That's the other thing. If you find something that works for you, and it could be cold calling, it could be meeting people, it could be door knocking, or you know, sending out your mailers or email. If you find something that works, double, triple, quadruple down on that, maximize it as much as possible. And for right now, the video is killing it for us. And so, yes, we're just trying to create better content, provide better value, and serve our clients well. And then, of course, we definitely collect on the referral side and through relationships in addition to that. But ideally, what we love is the video does the heavy lifting for us. So when people come to us, they've already made that decision again to work with us.